Hi everyone, hello lovely people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you all? I hope you all fine, enjoying your life. Today we are hooking up our drawable babies, kids, romper designs ideas. So hope so you like this video and hope so you like this all the ideas, all the design, all the beautiful pattern and video. So please watch this video till end and please tell me in comment section which type of new video you want to see in my YouTube channel. I will upload it next video about your comment. Get ready to make a comfortable and stylish garments for your little ones. In this video we will be making a stylish baby rompers, jumpsuits, designs, ideas. These are perfect for any occasion, different seasons and different parties and different weddings. These are amazing and comfortable for babies. This romper is sure to impress. So let's get started. First, let's start with the foundation chain. Next, we will add the pattern and texture. To shape the sleeves and armhole and different crochet work legs, baby rompers, we will use technique. Experiment with different yarn, fabric, textures and different accessories you use and decor and make this all the patterns easily. Try using different stitches, pattern or romper style and different pattern and different crochet hook and yarn. Add embellishments like button, applique work, beads, pearls, stones, snaps or different accessories you use and decor your baby rompers jumpsuit easily. And that's it, your crochet baby romper is complete and ready to wear and ready to gifting. Thanks for crafting along with me. Thanks for stitching along with me today. Do not forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to get my daily routine videos that I have uploaded daily for you. I have uploaded many different type of videos on my YouTube channel such as baby frocks, puttees, jumpsuit, baby frocks, ladies, girls, dresses, crop top, home decoration ideas such as blanket, bed sheet, crochet work, cushions covers, pillow covers, wall hanging and many different accessories. You visit my YouTube channel and watch my more different ideas about crochet work and knitting work. And please be share your creativity with us on different social media accounts using hashtag. Check out our next new more videos about crochet work and knitting work. Take care of yourself. See you in the next video. Hope so you like this video and hope so you like this all the beautiful pattern and ideas. Okay viewers, thanks for watch this video and thanks for stitching along with me. Okay viewers, thanks for watching. Bye bye.